So why would I even consider the idea of no more protective styles? What am I gonna do? Help me! Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. Now I know y'all read the title and y'all probably like, Jayla, what is going on? If you're new here, your girl loves a good protective style. You name it, your girl has done it because I am a protective style girly. So why would I even consider the idea of no more protective styles? Well, the answer is simple. My scalp health sucks. So I started to really notice my scalp health a couple of years ago, specifically the very first time that I did faux locks on my natural hair. Now I did go ahead and post a video about that on my channel. If you want to see it, go ahead and check it out above. And I just remember wearing those faux locks for a month because that's usually how long I wear my protective styles, right? And then I just remember like feeling a whole lot of flakage. And I think I asked my sister like, hey, can you show me what the back of my head looks like? Because I just felt like there was a whole lot of flakes there. And lo and behold, baby, it was flake galore back there. I ain't never seen so many flakes in my life. It was low-key, ugh. So that was the first time I was super cognizant of the fact that I get real bad flakage in my hair, especially wearing protective styles for a month. And then I think every protective style after that, I just became more and more aware of the fact that my scalp was flaking up bad. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm just not doing my maintenance routine enough. Maybe I need to go in and oil my scalp more often. Maybe I need to go in and retouch more often. So I would do that. I would go in and I would oil my scalp, and the very next day, the flakes would be right back. So I said, oh, so it's not an oil situation. Maybe I just need to start washing my hair more while it's in the protective styles. So then I went through that whole phase of like washing my hair while it was in box braids. I posted a whole video about that. And that helped for a little bit, you know. But I noticed I couldn't always get all the flakes out. I mean, you're wearing braids. There's only so much you can do. There's only so much you can maneuver without completely messing up the style. So I was like, okay, I mean, I can wash my hair while it's in protective styles, but I'm not really getting all the flakes out. Noted. Actually, talking with y'all and just seeing other videos on the platform, I came to a realization. I think I have seborrheic dermatitis. So seborrheic dermatitis is a specific scalp condition that causes scab-like flakes to develop on the scalp. It is potentially due to a fungus, or I've also seen things that say that it is immune response. And as I was reading these symptoms, I'm like, that sound a lot like my head. Now, disclaimer, I have not been officially diagnosed by a dermatologist, so I cannot say with confidence that I have seborrheic dermatitis, but it's very likely. Here's what I've noticed. The last protective style I did was those jumbo knotless box braids. I'll go ahead and post that video here. I was 2 weeks into that style, and when I tell y'all, I was scratching my scalp like crazy, and the flakes were coming up like crazy, like to the point where my family members are looking like, sis, you need to stop touching your head. 2 weeks? So you're telling me I can't keep a style in my head for 2 weeks without my scalp acting up? But you know what I did realize? When I'm wearing my wash and goes, which I only wear for 1 week and 1 week alone before I rewash, my scalp acts just fine. This is actually a day 7 wash and go that I'm about to wash as soon as I finish recording this video. And my scalp, y'all, my scalp is acting very regular. She's not itchy at all. And I'm going to show you what she looks like. Y'all can see my scalp looks pretty free of any dandruff, right? Or of any flakes. I hope so. I hope I'm not like just talking while there's a whole bunch of flakes in my head. This area, the back area, is usually where it gets the absolute worst, y'all. Like this is the section that, ooh, it looks so bad back here usually. But as you can see, your girl is looking all right. And I use my normal products during this wash and go. I added gel, I added leave-in. So what does that tell me? Washing my hair every week making sure I'm refreshing my scalp every week is the way to go for me. If I want to really care about my scalp health, and if I don't want my seborrheic dermatitis to get out of control. Yay! I'm very proud of myself for coming to that realization because, again, like I said, I've been struggling with my scalp acting this way for years now, and I'm like finally getting to a point of like, oh girl, you can manage this. Now, that brings me back to my initial question of no more protective styles. Because if we're washing our hair every week, what protective style are we wearing that you can go ahead and wash your hair every week and it not look atrocious after the second wash? Can y'all think of any styles? Because the styles that I like to do, the styles that I frequent, like spring twists, like mini twists, you can't just wash your hair and expect your hair to still look good after that wash. Like, no, you're gonna need a touch up. One of the things I love doing is styling my natural hair in protective styles. My first ever videos on this channel, on YouTube, on this platform were protective style videos. I love a protective style. I love wearing braids. I love wearing twists. I love trying new colors and new shapes and new sizes. Like, I live for that. That's one of the ways that I express myself through my natural hair. So what you mean I gotta spend 6+ hours doing these twists only for them to look raggedy a week later because I gotta wash them? Y'all, how is that gonna work? I don't know. Mind you, I'm about to wash my hair in a few minutes and I'm doing mini twists. Do the girls have advice? I know some of y'all out there also deal with seborrheic dermatitis. What am I gonna do? Y'all, help me. If you deal with anything, please let me know in the comment section below and let me know what your hair care routine looks like. Let me know what products you do and don't use, what your wash day routine looks like, how frequently you wash. Yeah, y'all let me know because I'm very interested. Like, do I really have to switch up my whole flow because of some flakes? Please go ahead and share with me in the comment section below about your journey with your hair and just how you learned your scalp health. I ain't gonna promise that y'all ain't gonna see no protective hairstyles. Okay, y'all might see one in the next week or so, okay? I'm just letting y'all know right now. I ain't said I was gonna do better. I said I was considering doing better. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.